I did it! I bought the beast! I bought the biggest iOS device ever, the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Now why? Well, let's find out. So I use my iPad as my main device. As you guys know, the iPad Pro has officially replaced my MacBook. In my opinion, the iPad is so much better in so many ways, especially for transportation. Traveling with the iPad is a great experience for videos, working on the go, emails, documents, pages, files, you call it. So as you guys know, I had the iPad Pro 10.5 inch, but since it's replaced my MacBook, I simply wanted a bigger screen because I was doing everything on my iPad. The only thing that I'll miss about the 10.5 inch is how comfortable it is to use. I mean, playing games on this, watching videos, replying to emails on the go. It's so comfortable. You can take it everywhere because it's so compact, so light. It's great. But as I was saying, since it replaced my MacBook, I simply wanted a bigger screen because the iPad Pro at 12.9 inch is technically better. But as you guys know, since it replaced my MacBook, I wanted a bigger screen, first off, of battery, because the iPad Pro 12.9 inch has such a much better battery, and it's simply a much better experience to watching videos, editing, photography, drawing, and illustration on this thing. I mean, drawing on this thing with the Apple Pencil is just magic. I mean, you can put your wrist here and you have so much space. I loved it. Writing pages, documents, making keynote presentation, playing games. I mean, playing games on this thing is huge, and the speakers are so good as well. Now, playing games, watching videos, writing documents, you can do it on the 10.5 inch. But the real difference that I really like the 12.9 inch is multitasking, because you can simply have two full screen apps open at the same time. Now, I know you can do this on the smaller iPad Pro, but having it on the bigger iPad Pro, having two full screen apps really makes a difference. And the 10.5 inch, when you had multitasking and it was just kind of small, here it actually works. It's actually comfortable. Also, as I was saying before, Apple Pencil support on this iPad is just great. Whether you're a student or you work in the creative industry, it's awesome and I totally recommend it. So anyways, concluding the video, at this point in time, I don't really see a point of a MacBook anymore. Now hold on a second, just hear me out. I've said this in other videos before. People think that the best duo, the best combo that you can ever get is an iMac and a MacBook. And I totally disagree. In my opinion, the best duo is an iMac because, of course, you still need a computer. You still need, powerful programs such as Final Cut Pro. In my opinion, I need Final Cut Pro. I couldn't live without Final Cut Pro. And I also need a computer, to do serious stuff and stuff. But then the portable device, the device that you're actually traveling with, the one that you're actually working with on the go, to be honest, I don't see a point of a MacBook anymore. I see a point of an iPad because it's just great. I mean, you just saw my video. You can do so much stuff on the iPad with the Apple Pencil, with the actual keyboard. I mean, the keyboard, the smart keyboard is awesome as well. It's comfortable to use. This iPad Pro is more powerful than most PC laptops. And I mean, the design is beautiful as well. I'm a big fan of this iPad. Well, to be honest, I was waiting for WWDC to wait if Apple was going to release a new iPad Pro. They didn't. I told myself if Apple doesn't actually release a new iPad Pro 10, I'm going to buy it that same week. And that's what I did. And to be honest, there's so many people asking me day by day, Nikki, should I get the iPhone 10 or should I wait for the upcoming iPhone 11 or should I buy a new iPad because there's a new one coming or there's rumors for a new MacBook, and there's always new products coming. I mean, that's the thing that you're going to deal with, I have an iPhone 10 and I know it's going to be a little bit outdated within September because of course there's going to be an iPhone 11. Just buy whatever you want. I mean, there's not really a point in waiting. Well, I mean, if you buy a phone in September and there's a new phone supposedly that's going to launch in September, I'd wait. But I don't want to wait the whole summer because I wanted this new iPad for the summer, so yeah, hopefully you will understand. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, do you guys have an iPad Pro? How do you guys use your iPad Pro? Just let me know. Let's have a party in the comment section down below. If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. By the way, my friend Pao helped me film this whole video. Thanks, man. You're awesome. Peace.